This arrest of 9 suspected Al-Qaeda terrorists by the NIA has prompted Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar to fire fresh salvos at Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Taking to social media site Twitter, Governor Dhankar accused Mamata Banerjee of permitting the state of Bengal to become a home to illegal bomb makers. He slammed Didi for not taking action against terrorists and being busy with political errands and taking on opposition Bharatiya Janata Party. Bengal governor also pulled up state police and added they cannot escape their accountability for an alarming decline in law and order. But not just Governor Dhankar, even the Bharatiya Janata Party decided to hit out immediately at Trinamool Congress government and the Congress as well. Now, this time with the Congress newly appointed Bengal Chief Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, in a tweet, BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya said, Murshidabad has become a hotbed of radicalization. He said, TMC, Congress and Pakistan-sponsored terror makes for a heady mix.
It is an alarming news for all of us. And I first express my grave concern to the news that has been surfacing. If it is true, then certainly we may say that Bengal is in a vulnerable situation. Really, it is a matter of great concern, not only for the people of my district, but for the state and to the extension our country. So if it is true, I must appreciate lavishly our NI officials that they have honored these groups. But again, with a caveat, if it is true, really, it will be deserved to be appreciated lavishly.
लेकिन दुर्भाग्य से हर बार बंगाल के में ऐसा ही घटना होती है, चाहे बांग्लादेशी टेररिस्ट हो, चाहे सीमी अलकायदा आईएस के और मॉड्यूल हो, बंगाल में कहीं ना कहीं जिला में इनका शेल्टर मिलता है। मुझे लगता है कि बंगाल की सरकार जानबूझकर इनको शेल्टर दे रही क्योंकि इसी में उनका राजनीतिक हित है। पिछले साल और मिजोरम नागालैंड के जो टेररिस्ट उनका भी शेल्टर मिला था, वहां का पुलिस आकर बंगाल से उनको पकड़ के ले गया। तो लगातार ये जो घटना हुई है, इससे पता चलता है बंगाल की सरकार इस मामले में सॉफ्ट है।
All right, let me go across now to my colleague Anand Patel for the latest on that. Anand, which is clearly a national security issue. Raids are taking place, investigation will be underway, but politics already peaking and Bengal elections approaching.
That's right. You see, Pooja, the arrest of these 9 terrorists, Al-Qaeda terrorists by the NIA is certainly an alarm bell for the agencies which have been flagging such activities in Bengal, particularly the border areas of Bengal with Bangladesh. And Murshidabad, where 6 of these have been arrested, is a border district, and it's a porous border. There is little surprise that these people have been arrested from there. Coming to the politics now, the BJP sees an opportunity in this to attack the TMC government led by Mamata Banerjee. We've seen the governor attacking the chief minister yet again. The BJP has been maintaining a stand that the Mamata Banerjee government, for political reasons, has been going soft on the Islamic radicals and the illegal migrants from Bangladesh who've been creating trouble in West Bengal. As far as Congress is concerned, the MP from Murshidabad, who's also the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, has come out with a statement congratulating the NIA and also a word of caution from him that the agencies should take this matter very seriously. But the TMC is maintaining that the BJP is trying to take political mileage out of this entire situation in view of the 2021 assembly polls. They did a similar thing ahead of the Lok Sabha polls, and now since the politics of polarization suits them, they are at again. So this is what TMC is saying. They are holding a parliamentary party meeting at around 3 p.m.
Okay.
More details will come out after that meeting.
Keep tracking all the latest. Anand Patel telling us how this is panning out politically as well while the NIA makes some arrests.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.